I know these shows can be a bit weird. You're very patient with all the new ones. I know it can be a bit weird, but we're excited. We really are excited to show them to you. And we have this new level of gratitude and appreciation for our very trusting and quite patient audience. And we love you very much, and we're very grateful.
It's empty in the valley of your heart. The sun it rises slowly as you walk away from all the fears and all the faults you've left behind. The harvest left no food for you to eat. You cannibal, you need deep dirt, you see. I've seen the same, I know the shame in your defeat. I will hold on hope, and I won't let you choke. And then you sit around your neck, and I'll find strength and pain. I will change my way, know my name as it's cold again. I have other things to fill my time. Take all these yours and I'll take mine. Now let me in the truth, we're slow to finish my broken mind. So time to post and block my ears. Secret roads and orphans in my tears. No one calls like my faults, despite my growth. Come out of your cave, walking on your hands. See the world hanging upside down. You can understand dependence when you know the maker's hand. So maybe